Welcome to WebUI Training, Order Entry, course number 142, Advanced Line Entry, Sourcing a Special to a Purchase Order. This training video will demonstrate how to source a special product to a purchase order from a sales order. The key fields included are Sourcing tab, Product Source, Purchase Order Number, Document Disposition, Copy Comments, Purchase Order Information, Due Date, Vendor, Ship From, Ship Via, and the freight fields. Before starting, you will need to have completed the following courses. To source a special line type to a purchase order, make sure that your backorder flag is checked. Change your line type to special. A message will appear that will ask if you'd like to reset the defaults to special. Click yes, and enter in the product that you'd like to order, or select from the drop-down if it's been ordered before on your screen. Enter in your quantity to order. Click your Sourcing tab, and the screen will take you to the Advanced Line Entry Sourcing. In the Product Source drop-down, select Purchase Order. The Purchase Order field will be blank. Make sure that your document disposition is Allow Backorder. If you'd like to add line comments to the line and copy them to the PO, check the box. If not, keep it unchecked. In the Purchase Order Information section, select your due date from the calendar. The due date field will populate if there is a lead time in the system already for that vendor for that product. If the product is already tied to a vendor, the vendor will automatically populate. If it's not, click the spyglass, click Search, and search for the vendor that you need, or enter in the vendor number if you know it already. The Ship From, if you click the spyglass and click Search, and the vendor has a specific ship from already set up in the system, it will show in the grid here. If there is one there, you can select one. If not, keep it at 0. In the Ship Via field, enter in how you would like the product to be shipped to the warehouse. If there are specific freight terms for this vendor, go ahead and enter them in here. The Freight Bill Account field is where you can enter in a FedEx number or a UPS account number to have a specific account number billed. Check the Free on Board box if freight will not be added to the purchase order. Vendor information will show the phone number and fax number. Once you have completed the screen, click Submit, and you'll return to the Advanced Line Entry. There will be a message that says sourcing data has been accepted. When you click Add, your purchase order number will be created and the warning will show that a back order has been scheduled. In looking at your products list, you can see your product, what line, the quantity ordered, and the price, and the unit of measure. If you've noticed that you're missing something, for example, I forgot to put the price in on the order, you can click on the line. The line will be recalled to your screen. You can double click in the field that you need to change, backspace, and add your price. Once I click off the field, the screen will refresh. You will also notice that the tied order number field is populated with the purchase order that we created. Next to it is an inquiry arrow. If you click on that, it will take you over to the purchase order inquiry screen, where you can see information about your purchase order. Clicking back to order entry, I will double check that my line is complete. Click update. If you are finished with the order, click finish, and a message will show that the order has been finished. Congratulations, you have just completed course number 142, Advanced Line Entry, Sourcing a Special to a Purchase Order. Now it's time to try it out. Go to Employees at Work, click the WebUI Train icon, and follow the instructions to log in. Here is your suggested next course.